Staring out the window, reaching for a
Hey guys, my name is Briddy. I'm a business owner and student, and this is my boyfriend Clint, who is a corporate slave.
3 jobs.
He is also a student. Do you want
3 jobs.
Do you want to list them?
No.
Okay.
I've worked 3 jobs.
He actually does.
Yeah.
He's still a corporate slave.
I am.
And today we're going to be showing you guys a work day in our lives. Wait, what was that?
Show in the office.
What? I was trying to show them you and me.
Oh, okay.
We're going to be showing you guys a day in a work life as a couple in different industries.
I'd also like to thank Taylor Brands for sponsoring today's video, and I'll get to that in a bit.
Okay, we're gonna go back to work now. Okay, cue our work day.
I'm already up and have started work. I'm getting some emails done and hopping on a morning call before I get ready.
I'm starting my morning a bit later than Clint, but like not even that much later because the cat wakes me up every morning at like literally 6 a.m. and then I wake 2 hours later because I'm like that. But I'll wake up mainly to feed my baby, Tubby, and he eats half dried and half wet food. Here's me watching my baby eat like the cat mom that I'm becoming. I could literally have like 5 more cats. Like I love them so much. He's still a kitten, about 9 months old. I also need to make some breakfast for Clint and I, so I'm heating up some pancakes, boiling some eggs, and making some toast. Clint bought this egg boiler from Sunbeam, and it's like the best thing that's ever existed. I love this thing so much. And since buying this, I can make the perfect eggs. Here's some more of Tubby being cute, and Clint's in a meeting, so I have to be extra quiet. So I'm gonna go do my skincare and makeup now in my bathroom. I've been really loving these 2 creams. I'll link them down below for you guys if you're curious.
about things that are out of my control, but I pretend they're not.
I'm currently in a meeting with my team discussing about our progress. We usually do this every day to keep each other updated and catch up since we're all working from home and we don't have the opportunity to see each other often. So I'm gonna go shower because we've got a few meetings coming up. Gotta look fresh. Alright. Nice.
I'm changing into some tight clothes. It makes me feel more productive because I feel like I'm about to go out and do something even if I'm working from home.
Oh my god.
Sometimes I'll wear my PJs and it feels like I haven't changed from like wake up time to like get ready to do work. So I like to change my outfit completely so I feel like it's a fresh day and I'm about to do something. Try that out if you're feeling sluggish. Also, I'm peeling our eggs right now. These eggs were so hot, but I managed to peel them and now I'm cutting them in half and also saucing them up a little bit. I like to put sea salt and Tabasco because I like spice. I'll literally gobble down half my food and then save the rest for later because I want to start work. So this morning I'm going to be packing some orders I got from my small business, the Plan brand, which I launched at the end of last year. So I've made a bunch of videos about it if you want to see how I started it and the entire process from pre-launch until launch day, and also just running my business on a day-to-day. I have a few videos for you guys. I'll link the first one on the screen and the rest down below if you're curious. So today I've got a bunch of orders to pack and fulfill. I'll show you guys how the process normally works. I'm gonna pack an order with you all, so I'm getting the stock and supplies ready for this order, including packing stickers and satchels. So this order is for Sylvie. She ordered a diary kit which comes with 158 custom stickers, both decorative and organizational, so you can customize your kit to your liking. I'm adding all the stickers into the order and also a set of freebie stickers that also come with each order. These include our devil heart, our Saturn ring, and our PB logo sticker. I'm also writing a thank you card to Sylvie, which can also be used as a bookmark. Her diary kit has been wrapped with recycled custom wrapping, and now I'm going to be sealing and packing her order away. Fun fact, our satchels are all compostable and reusable, which is why there's a second line which you can peel off and wrap another order.
No, you don't care as much as I do. But
I just got...
I'm in a call with a client to inquire about some information we're after. It's always good to catch up with them as well, and after that I have to update my working based off the new information that's been provided to me. As long as you're happy with everything, I send off the email that now. Okay, cool, awesome. Thanks so much, Megan. Chat soon, bye.
no name might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming. I know that
I'm popping popping in real quick to talk about today's sponsor, Taylor Brands. So thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. So I know a lot of you guys are interested in starting your own business, but you don't know where to begin. They're an AI-driven all-in-one solution for aspiring small business owners, and they have everything you need to jumpstart your business. So you guys can look professional in 60 minutes with no coding or design skills needed. So I'm going to show you guys right now how to set up your brand and some features that are included. So start off by typing your brand name. The plan brand is what I'm going to use, and then you can select what you are offering. I am offering a physical good, and then enter your industry, and then you can tell them a bit about yourself if you'd like. Then now you can pick your logo type. You can go icon based or name based. I'm choosing icon, and then you can search for icons or geometric shapes within this. I went into icons, and I'm just looking at different diary icons that I liked, so you can select up to 5. Then you can select 3 styles of font that you like. This is what the logo looks like. They offer a bunch of different designs, and then you can click into edit each of these to your liking. You can change the text, the font, the colors, the composition, and then you can turn your logo into a branded website, merchandise, social covers, etc. Just follow the next few steps and you guys will set up your business. So this includes getting a domain, digital business cards, branding your website, merchandise, just to name a few. So I'll have a link for Taylor Brands in the description if you want to try out any of your business ideas, and I also have a code BriddyYT for 40% off. If you've ever wanted to try anything out, feel free to get creative with that. Okay, enough of me talking. I'm gonna get back to it.
So here I am preparing the rest of the orders from the other day in one go. So I'll normally batch prepare like this the day after to speed up the process, because I have other tasks to handle throughout the day, and then throughout the week we have a combination of sticker orders and also diary kit orders with stickers. So I'm just packing all of these up and wrapping them in our tissue paper and our boxes, and then also putting them into these satchels, which again are compostable, which I love so much. You guys were also the ones who voted on this color for the satchels, so thank you guys for choosing the pink one, because honestly, like, I vibe with it so much. I just want to say thank you so much to you guys for supporting the Plan brand and following me on my journey. I cannot wait to show more of it with you guys. So far, I feel like I'm currently going through a massive growth phase and just figuring a lot of things out, honestly, which is the most challenging part of having a small business. I think a lot of it is just trial and error, and you learn things as you go. You guys have been so supportive throughout this process, and just even giving me feedback, advice, buying your own diary kit. It just means so much to me, so thank you guys so much, and I can't wait to go through the next growth phase with you.
Just packed all of these.
No. Fine. Oh, yeah, and then...
I'm heading to the post office to drop off all the orders from this morning, and I'm also going to be picking up some things from the groceries. So first of all, I need some tissues because Clint has a runny nose all the time and we ran out of tissues, so I'm getting more of those, and some other food that I see, because there's a lot of things that I like when I go to the groceries, like pastries. I love pastries.
Just had a couple of actually a full morning of meetings today. Haven't really stood up, so I'm gonna get some more water now. Let me get some food as well. I'm quite hungry. Oh, you got tissue boxes? Yeah. Thank you. Basically, we got the cat, and my nose has just been super runny. Okay, so I've got my filtered water. This chair, it feels like you're in a racing car. It's very tight. You don't move around too much. With my setup, obviously it's much cleaner than Brit's, but I mean, hers is pretty clean at the moment. Give it like a few days and then it won't be anymore. You can see like the pancakes there from yesterday.
That's from today.
Huh?
I'm eating it right now.
Eat it then. Prove it.
Look, watch this.
I mean, I still don't trust it. Anyways, I like to keep everything very neutral colored, so I've got a lot of black. I shouldn't show you the numbers because that's sensitive information. So that's a 27-inch monitor. Got my laptop stand, my headphones. Oh, these are very helpful. While we're on the topic of headphones, these headphone stands. Got my wireless charger. Found this cable tie. This is Brit's one. I guess she'll do a deeper analysis later on, but...
I knew you were going to say analysis.
But it is very clean now, actually.
It actually is.
Yeah, I know.
It's an improvement. I used to be way worse than this.
I mean, like, that's probably going to be left there for like a few days, so I'll take it away now.
Oh, okay.
And then, why do you have 2 cups of...
That was yesterday.
So that's yesterday's? I told you.
Looks good, right?
Yeah. Alright, so I just finished a couple of chores and some work. I'm gonna make some lunch. Got pork and Wait, you got pork and chive?
Okay, I had a few things I had to do. I've just been doing some admin now, which is always fun. I love admin. I need to fix the website today as well, and also plan out and print out all of my stuff for New York. Plan out how to show Clint how to do everything for the Plan brand, because he's going to be taking over and doing all the processing and everything while I'm away. I was meant to study today, but that does not look like it's gonna happen.
How cool is this shot? Let's go find a cat. Oh, there he is. He's napping. He loves his chair. What's up? Okay, so I heard cats are nocturnal animals. So they like to stay up at night. They're very active, and during the daytime they get their rest. So he's probably gonna go to sleep pretty soon.
That's good. I go back to uni as well in next month, but I'm gonna be overseas while uni starts, so that's gonna be great. I need to figure out what my first day is. I just applied for my courses this year too, so I'm doing information systems.
I'm gonna spend the rest of my day getting some editing and some admin done.
Not sure what's happening here, but anyways, I'm fixing this issue right now.
This is Tubby. Tubby, look at the people. I hold you like a baby, like this. Is this comfortable? Hi, Tubby. Like the toilet?
He's like, yes. I'm saving my stomach for tonight because Clint and I are gonna be getting something yummy. I have a feeling that Tubby was trying to get into this because there's a bunch of scratch marks all over this packet, which I swear was not there before. That's cheeky, man.
I spent some time packing my luggage for New York because I knew I wasn't gonna get it done in one go, so this is my start. So about that delicious dinner, Clint and I went to go pick that up. We ordered it in person and we brought it home with us. It smelled so divine, like I cannot explain how good my car smelled at this moment. It's so wonderful. I just love spicy chicken and anything spicy, honestly. So now we're taking it home.
Tenders.
Let's lay it all out.
Mozzarella sticks.
$8 for that.
Wow,
These are
that's
ordered,
pretty
right?
expensive.
Oh, one burger.
Wow, that looks so good.
Oh, chips.
Oh, chippies.
You know that fish and chips taste?
That's pretty good. Oh, chicken strips.
Thigh.
Oh, damn. Okay, that's pretty good. Yummy.
Hot sauce. Ranch. And I'm pretty sure in here we've got chips and tenders, so this will be the tender.
Oh, damn.
That looks so good. Like, it wasn't even included in the meal, but we just got extra.
Extra chips.
Because why not?
Wow, is that everything?
Yeah.
Damn, okay. Wow. Picky of
I'm crinkle fries.
Do you like crinkle fries? Oh my god.
I don't know, with the sauce, we can eat it with the chips.
Yes. Let me take a picky. Move back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So it's just too sexy not to take a photo of.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So while we're eating dinner, we decide to watch some James Bond because we've been obsessed recently, especially me. I've been like, we have to watch all the James Bond movies because I really like the last one that came out. And we watched some of the old ones as well. We clearly haven't gotten through them all because if you don't know, there are like so many James Bond movies, but we watched a few. And so we're just doing that while we eat.
I actually already ate this dish, but we have these tenders. I'm gonna try it. And we have pickles as well, because I love pickles. They're so good. We have our Nash chicken. I actually already ate it. It's not spicy at all. Wish I got spicy because I feel nothing. This is a cheese stick.
So this is a bit later. I'm getting ready to go to bed, taking off my makeup, and then later that evening Clint is doing the dishes as he normally does. Honestly guys, he does a lot of the dishes and the cleaning up because he is much neater than I am. I am like the chaotic, messy person, whereas Clint is like super clean and neat. If you didn't know already, I feel like you guys kind of already know, but just clarifying because I am not the clean one here. Like look at him scrubbing this thing. Like he is so attention to detail. But yes, I'm here doing some laundry. I do this sometimes guys, not gonna lie. I feel like Clint does it more nowadays, but this is my part to help out. So I'm doing the laundry, keeping my clothes clean. I also honestly had a lot of stuff to wash before I went to New York. By the way, my travel vlogs are probably going to be out really soon, so keep an eye on that and subscribe if you haven't already. You guys will be seeing that so soon. Thank you so much for watching us work as we continue to turn the wheel of capitalism, just doing our part. And don't forget to check out the link below to try Tailor Brands for free today, and I will see you guys in the next video.